Welcome back to channel everyone, Triple M here, and today's video we're talking about the new Fire TV Stick 4K that's expected to be released soon. So a lot of questions about this. We know that Amazon does keep up on their update. They have a ton of devices already in the market, including the Fire TV Stick 4K, 4K Max Lite, and also the normal or regular HD Fire TV. So our question is, if a Fire TV Stick is being released, what do you expect from it? What is on your wish list? Also, is the Fire TV Stick lineup too crowded? So we're going to jump into the details. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. Before we jump into it, let's take a quick look at the Fire TV Stick lineup. You can see we have the Fire TV Stick Lite, we have the HD Fire TV Stick, the 4K Fire TV Stick, and also the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, and last but not least, the Fire TV Cube. So just looking at the pricing, guys, this makes zero sense. So we have the Fire TV Stick Lite for $29. That is the low-end Fire TV Stick. You can see none of the key features right here. It doesn't support 4K, live view, picture-in-picture, hands-free. Doesn't support any of this. However, it's priced at $29.99. We have the HD Fire TV Stick that's priced at $39.99. Only supports 1080p as well, and none of these other features. Now over to the 4K, which is the most popular, I would believe. It's $24, supports 4K, live picture-in-picture, ton of other features, including upgraded RAM. But that's priced at $24, guys. We have the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, which is the best Fire TV Stick, priced at $26. And just looking at this lineup and the pricing, doesn't make sense at all. So this is one of the reasons why a couple experts are predicting that there's a new Fire TV Stick 4K on the horizon, just because when Amazon released new Fire TV Stick, they tend to play with the pricing a little bit. This Fire TV Stick is currently on sale. You can see marked down from $49 to essentially $24, which is a steal. Fire TV Stick 4K Max as well. That's another one that, like I said, their best Fire TV Stick, marked down from $54 to $26. While in the meantime, the HD Fire TV Stick and the Fire TV Stick Lite currently higher than these other two. That's why a lot of experts are predicting that Amazon will soon upgrade their Fire TV Stick lineup. So what do we expect from the Fire TV Stick if they were to upgrade it soon? So if they upgrade to 4K, I don't really expect much more, guys. You can see the current 4K already has Wi-Fi 5, so this will probably be upgraded to Wi-Fi 6. The storage, I don't expect that to change. The RAM, I do expect them to go to 2 gigs, just like they did with the 4K Max. It is going to have Dolby Atmos. Nothing's going to change there. But I can also see them upgrading the processor just to kind of put it on par with the previous generation 4K Max. You can see the current 4K has a quad-core CPU, clocks at 1.7 gigahertz, while the 4K Max is at 1.8 gigahertz. So just a little bit faster. Same thing with the GPU. 4K has a 600 megahertz GPU and the 4K Max has 750. So we can see some of those subtle changes as they kind of up the specs a little bit in the 4K to kind of match on last generation's 4K Max. So I can see those sort of changes coming. What I would like to see on my wish list is obviously the biggest thing a lot of people complain about is the storage. 8 gigs is not enough. If you're someone who downloads a lot of applications, a lot of games, this 8 gig is going to run out really fast. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you had to pick one upgrade as far as hardware, what would you like to see? Also, if you don't know, you can upgrade the storage on your Fire TV Stick, and I'll go ahead and link a video where you can go ahead and check that out. So that's going to be on the wish list, and I'll probably put something in the community section where you can go ahead and vote as well. Usually speed is on par. I don't have performance issues with the Fire Stick, but I would like to see a USB port. Yes, it's been great using the OTG adapters. It is a workaround. You can add storage, you can add Bluetooth, you can add your dongles, you can add an Ethernet to USB adapter, but I personally like to see a built-in USB port, kind of like what we saw on the 3rd generation Fire TV Cube. Like I said, I put something in the community section where you can vote. What is one feature that you'd like to see upgraded on the new Fire TV Stick 4K? And the other thing I wanted to talk about is the current Fire TV lineup. Is this too crowded? So I thought when it first came out, it wasn't, just because of the pricing. A lot of it made sense. They had an entry level, a mid-tier, and then they had a premium. But that would pretty much assuming that people would not like to spend $30 or $35 on a Fire TV. Then they have a lower tier light version where you can spend a little bit less and kind of get the basic of streaming. But with the current lineup, with the current price point, none of this makes sense. So what's my thought on the Fire TV lineup? I really think they only need 2 Fire TV sticks. I wouldn't buy the light. I wouldn't buy the HD version. If they made subtle differences between the 4K and the 4K Max, I can see that being, I can see where there's only a need for 2 Fire TV sticks. I wouldn't normally advise anyone to buy these just because in today's age, guys, most television sets are going to be 4K, and really doesn't make sense, especially with the price point in consideration, to purchase any one of these. Yes, these are on sale, but these are really non-factor in my opinion, and I think Amazon should pretty much pull these from the lineup, focus on the 4K and the 4K Max, and also the Fire TV Cube. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. What's your thoughts on the new Fire TV Stick 4K? What's your wish list on the Fire TV Stick 4K if it was to be released? And also, what's your thoughts on the Fire TV lineup as far as the too crowded, too many devices, similar devices, overlapping price point, a lot of the stuff that doesn't make sense. So I'll go ahead and link all the Fire TV sticks that I just mentioned in the description. You can see they have great sales, especially on the 4K and the 4K Max, pretty much half off. So if you're in the market, now's a good time to go ahead and grab one. Don't forget to go to the community section and vote. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.